Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a high-efficiency summary of an English passage in high school textbook. The goal is to help you better understand the text and express its key ideas and values in English. We'll walk through 5 simple steps together. Just follow along, and by the end, you'll have your own clear summary to share. You can find the full article in the video description. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the title. The title is Iceland's Road to Gender Equality. From this, we can tell the passage will describe how Iceland has worked toward achieving equality between men and women over time. Step 2. Learn the key vocabulary. Here are some useful words. 1. Strike. 2. Legislation. 3. Protest. 4. Domestic. 5. Chaos. 6. Standstill. 7. Desperate. 8. Paralyzed. 9. Discrimination. 10. Triumph. 11. Certificate. 12. Eliminate. Step 3. Read paragraph by paragraph and identify the main idea. Paragraph 1. Iceland is known not only for its natural beauty, but also for being the world's most gender-equal society. Paragraph 2. In 1975, 90% of Icelandic women went on strike to protest gender injustice, which caused chaos and highlighted their importance. Paragraph 3. The protest shifted public opinion, leading to the creation of the Gender Equality Council and a law banning discrimination. In 1980, Iceland elected the world's first female president in a democratic nation. Paragraph 4. Despite progress, a large pay gap remained, so more protests were held in 2005 and 2016 to raise awareness. Paragraph 5. In 2018, Iceland passed a groundbreaking law requiring companies to prove equal pay, becoming a global leader in gender equality. Step 4. Combine the main ideas into a clear summary. Iceland, a small Nordic country, leads the world in gender equality. This journey began in 1975 when most Icelandic women joined a mass protest, refusing to work, cook, or care for children to demand equal rights. The strike caused widespread disruption and changed the nation's view on gender roles. As a result, Iceland passed a law against discrimination and formed a council to promote gender equality. In 1980, it became the first democratic country to elect a female president. Still, challenges remained. Women continued earning less than men, leading to more strikes in the 2000s. Finally, in 2018, Iceland became the first country to legally require equal pay, with companies needing to prove compliance or face fines. Today, Iceland continues to be a model of fairness and progress, inspiring the rest of the world to follow its lead. Step 5. Practice and upload your work. Read your summary aloud to build fluency and confidence. Make small adjustments if needed. Then, record your version and upload it to Beyond Norm to get helpful feedback from our team. You're doing great. Every time you practice, you improve. Join our training program, and you too can confidently share article summaries in English, just like the students at Beyond Norm. Ready to level up your English skills? Click the link below and let the transformation begin.